Step inside a Westchester Tudor revival where Kata Turner design blends historic charm with bold, modern flair. Think joyful yellow wallpaper, olive green velvet, and asymmetrical art. It's classic elegance, reimagined. Kata Turner design brought her distinctive style to a Tudor revival home in Westchester, New York, creating an interior that feels both classic and refreshingly modern. The Westchester, New York Tudor Revival Home project was meticulously designed to encapsulate a sophisticated blend of historical charm and contemporary flair. For this particular project, she masterfully blended traditional architectural elements with contemporary design choices. This choice was deliberate, aimed at fostering a sense of happiness and optimism throughout the space. Complementing this cheerful backdrop in one of the rooms were two plush olive green velvet sofas, which introduced a touch of luxurious comfort while grounding the lively wall treatment. In the living room, a clever and practical design solution for a large surface area was achieved by grouping 6 individual glass bunching tables, which offered both functionality and a light, airy visual appeal without overwhelming the space. This intentional departure from traditional symmetrical arrangements injected a fresh, updated energy into the classic Tudor revival setting, preventing the interiors from feeling overly formal or staid. Throughout the home, she incorporated modern artwork hung in an unconventional, asymmetrical way and tablescaped classic pieces with mid-century inspired lamps. She also emphasized the transformative power of color, drawing inspiration from both nature and couture fashion. The design extended beyond just individual pieces, focusing on how different elements interacted to create a cohesive yet dynamic aesthetic. The selection of hues and patterns drew inspiration not only from the natural world, but also from the nuanced palette seen in haute couture fashion, demonstrating a keen eye for subtle yet impactful color combinations.